Hey there everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I'm going to talk about finding issues with the house that don't really have any issues with critters. That's a lot of issues. So I'm up on this roof. This side of the roof doesn't look too bad, but I found issues with the roof. So let's check out some of the issues. When I turn around, now look right here, we have issues. So let me point them out. See those white strands, that white stuff? That's the fiberglass and the shingles. The granules, which are kind of supposed to be like that, have disappeared. Right there, they're disappearing. And through here, the granules are missing. The granules are missing here. And when I just gently stroke my finger over it, they rub right off. What does that tell me? This is an old roof. It's probably getting to the end of its service life. This whole section of the roof looks pretty rough. So this roof is starting to get a kind of a patchy appearance. It's probably 20 years old. I'm just guessing. Now, I'm not a roofer. I don't sell roofs. I don't care to ever sell a roof. I replaced a roof once and it sucked. Now, I do roof repairs for animal damage. Now, when I'm all done doing this inspection, I'm going to show the homeowner some of this worn spots on the roof, some of this damage, and I'm going to recommend that he gets a roofer out here to take a look at it. I find other things wrong with the houses. Sometimes I find problems with the flashing. I find problems with the chimney. Evidently, someone left their tools on top of that chimney because the top of this chimney looks pretty much brand new, about the first 4 feet. So if I had been here earlier before the repair work was done, I'd probably find problems with that. So I find a lot of problems with houses. Animals take advantage of problems. That's why I look at them. So I will tell you about the problems with your house if I happen to spot them. Thank you.